Hello everyone, this is a quick unboxing of the LED wall pack light, and there are supposedly 2 of them in here, so it should be kind of nice. I think it's going to be great for, you know, a front door. You have some sort of pylons on both sides that you can mount them onto. Looks like you got some nice cutouts here and some screws that come with it. I might need to swap those out, or you may need to swap those out too, if really depending on what you're mounting it on. Is it going to be on drywall? You'll need some drywall screws and a hammer drill to put it in, or if it's just wood, that should be really easy. But excited to give these a try, and if you can kind of see here, I'll flip them opposite directions. You really have a lot of light coming out of that. So on the back here, you'll notice that the cutouts here kind of match there. So it's going to go up against the wall nicely. And kind of excited, really excited to get these on. It's going to provide lots of front light. We have people that come by the house, and when they walk up, I definitely don't have enough light now. So anyhow, just a pretty decent amount of instructions here on LED wall pack lights. Talks about how to wire it here. So you're going to definitely need power coming in. It shows you it's going to come in here through the top according to this. So you'll just take a big screwdriver and or Phillips, take that off and get your wires on. All right, hope that helps you guys.